Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has reacted to the previously communicated resistance level, so shouldn't be a surprise that we get a rejection here, especially given that the rally in the yellow count is a wave 4, and this wave 4 is a 3-wave move, so we might have started the wave 5 to the downside. Of course, the wave 4 could develop into a triangle. That often happens on a Saturday and on a weekend, but first and foremost, it's important to recognize that the resistance area has created the desired, rejection. Okay, so at least we have an initial rejection. To confirm further that now this 5th wave to the downside is unfolding, we need to see a break below that low at 3,146. By the way, the 38.2 retracement level to which the price has reacted is the ideal target for a 4th wave. So A, B, C, that's sort of how it looks like. And the bullish count is on thin ice. I mean, at the moment, the micro count is being followed with that rejection. And one more low could send us down initially to 3,064, which is here the previous swing low from the 20th of March. And then we might see it test the 2,975 level, which is the 50% retracement level. Ideally, a wave 4 does not sustain below that level. So that's sort of at the moment what I'm watching. Do we start the wave 5? Well, it takes a break below that B wave low to confirm that further. Until the resistance breaks, though, it could be that the wave 4 extends. So this is a wave 4 that is relevant and valid as long as we're holding below 3,339. For example, it's entirely possible that a small ascending wedge pattern is forming here. That's just something that could happen. So have that, keep that in mind. Somehow like that. Yeah. These corrective price channels or these price channels or wedges are often corrective movements. Again, a break below it, would likely get us to test the B wave low there. And then a break below it, takes us to those levels. If we break below the orange support region, it wouldn't be great, but the next support level would be $2,789. It's the 100% extension of the A wave. Now, if we see a break above resistance, what could that be? And even though that would, again, mean that the structure is changing, but at least we have a plan B, and it wouldn't be so bad because at least the market would stop bleeding. It would likely be this white count, basically this Elliott Wave triangle that I discussed with you in the previous video, which has become definitely an option, but is only valid as long as yesterday's low isn't broken. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, which means the D wave could be unfolding, which is a corrective structure like an A, B, C structure. Okay, so if we now see this structure morph into a larger ABC, it could represent the D wave of this Elliott Wave triangle. But first of all, we need to see a break above $3,339 to entertain that idea. Until then, one more low appears likely in the current structure. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.